Oh my goodness. What did these people do? Look at that. Look at this. They sent me 2 sets of headers. Alright, what's up YouTube? What's up Hammerheads? Van Hammer HP! Craig coming at you. Alright. Look, you can already see it in the back. You see a big smile on my face. So what we're going to do, we're just going to bring you a little fun video, man. I told you it was coming for Racy Lacy, and it's still not all here. Still not all here. We have 2 more. I think one's supposed to come later on today. One the next day, but we'll get into that. But what I wanted to do here was just have like a little fun video. We'll do some unboxing, look at some stuff that we're going to install on Racy Lacy, help her out a little bit. So yeah, man, let's dive into it. Let's get into it and see what we got back here in some packages. Alright, looky here. I'm guessing you can probably guess what's in the gray Pypes boxes. Obviously you see some tires, but we'll go over, what tires they are. Of course, you can see some Raystar back there. We got to have something to put those tires on. Box from Jegs there. That actually has to do with the tires, and we'll get into that as well. So, let's start off with this little package here on top. Now, I don't want anybody, I might catch hell for this, we'll see. Okay, but yes, I'm going to go there. I'm going to go there, and I'm going to do it. So, anyway, unbox. Bam! Looky here. Package number 1. Alright, yes, it says throttle body spacer. So, I haven't put a cold air intake on because there's been a lot of stuff about cold air intakes and whatnot. So you're probably wondering, well, why in the world would he put on one of these? And the honest truth is, I don't really know. But I can tell you this. There's stuff all over the place that says, don't want to waste your money on throttle body spacer, blah, blah, blah. But I haven't seen anything that says it does any harm. So whether or not it does any good, we'll see. But I've never seen anything where a throttle body spacer has done any harm. So I thought we'd give it a try. It was only like $100. I think I even got it on sale. So I thought, what the heck? Let's give it a try. Air Raid, always go with Air Raid. They're my I guess intake system company. I don't know. I've had good experience with them. Their products have always been good, so that's what we went with here. Moving on, let's take a look at these beauties. Okay, so we got Pypes here. Pypes Performance Exhaust. As you can see here, we've already gone with one Pypes performance piece, and that was our H pipe, and I was pretty happy with the quality of that. And so we decided to go with Pypes for this product. And if you can see here, I'm not too happy about the way they arrived. I mean, the boxes are just destroyed almost. Especially on this side, it even looks like they tried to tape it up some more. But even here, and I did cut the tape here, but you can see even here, it came like this. And look, you even got a piece of the part freaking sticking out of the box. So, not happy with the way it shipped and the way it got here. Hopefully there's nothing defective in this box, but that's why we're documenting the unboxing as well. Get one of these open and check it out. see what this first box is. Unboxing with one hand is always a little tough. Alright, well I think you can tell what those are. Alright, so there you have it there. A Pypes header. So, why did we go with Pypes? So, we got the Pypes H-pipe for one. And I was really impressed with the quality, the just the integrity of the piece, the workmanship, the welds and stuff on it. Everything looked really good. So we decided to go ahead and take a chance with the pipe headers to see what we could get here. These are the stepped headers. It is 1 3/4, then it steps to 1 7/8. Not a new technology or anything like that. It is something that other header companies have done in the past. Anyway, it is supposed to serve a purpose for getting the gases out, the exhaust out, and stuff like that. Let's see if we can take a look down here in the collector. Once again, we feel like we got like an oil coating. So we're just taking a look. Welds feel pretty good. Of course, they're not going to be super smooth here where you get that step up because it's a step up, but look like we got some good welding there. They are going to have the O2 sensor. Bung is there, and it is straight across. I don't know if we can get an angle down in there where you can see. Let's say this, okay, you can see where the bung is welded in though, and see where it's not smooth there. Okay, that's where you're lacking in probably a little quality from something like Corsair or Cooks. Also, the collector doesn't look as smoothly placed in there like you would see from Corsair or Cooks, but nonetheless, I think it's still going to function, function just the way we want it to. So, okay. So in here we have our O2 sensors, or the extenders, with the little Pypes logo. Why would they only put that on one header? Okay, here's our gaskets. Should have some hardware here. There we go. The header bolts, and then also your connection bolts. Okay, so we'll look over this other header here. Okay. See, we got the Pypes logo there tacked on. Again, they're looking like pretty solid welds. Don't see any gaps or anything like that. And I'd say about the same. Inside there's collector. It's a little rough, and then there on the where the bung's at too. Would like to see that cleaned up just a little better, but like I said, I still think all the welds on the outside look good. Not seeing any dents, dings. You want to really look at that flange right there. Make sure like it's not warped in the middle or anything like that. It looks pretty straight to me. Okay, so it makes me wonder what's in the other box down there. Let's find out. Oh my goodness. What did these people do? Look at that. Look at this. They sent me 2 sets of headers. This is not what I was expecting to be in this box. I was expecting the connectors to be in this box. The So we got the headers with the high flow cats. So catted headers. And they sent me a pair of headers and a pair of headers. So the unboxing has got interesting. Well, 2 sets of headers with no connection pipes. Alright, so I guess we'll deal with that. We'll have to call that company. They didn't come from Pypes directly, so we'll have to call that retailer and be like, hey man, you sent me 2 sets of headers and I ain't paying to ship a set of headers back to them. Let's move on. So you see here, let's go into the tires first. We're going to the tires. So we'll take a look at what we got here. You'll see we got Nitto 275 40R17s NTO5R. So that's the drag radial that we're going with the 275 40R17. Let's see if we get you a good look at this tread here. But that's what we went with. I know a lot of people like to go 305s on their drag radials, but I only got so much money, you know? And after getting this stuff, we did go with the 275s, and we did go with Nitto as opposed to Mickey Thompson's. And then of course, if you look here, we went with the 17-inch wheels. We'll see how these Nittos had really great reviews. We're gonna give them a shot at the drag strip, hopefully this weekend. We have some weather in the forecast. We hope it holds off, and we can put those bad boys to the test. Alright, so moving on to the little Jegs box here. This is the this is the kit that is required with the Raystar wheels to go on your Mustang. And so you got 2 options. You can go closed lug or open end lug. We did go with the open end lug. Some of the things I saw on that were that the open end lugs could possibly torque down a little better than a closed end. These are the little spacers you got to put on the hub, and then you have washers. They go on in a certain direction. They go on your lugs, and then you can put your nut on. And then it comes with 2 valves there. This is the kit for just 2. You can get a kit for 4. If you're going to do all 4 tires, we're just going back tires. So there's that. Alright, let's take a look and see what these wheels look like. Most of you, if you've paid attention to anybody on YouTube, probably already know what these look like. These are going to be your budget drag wheel, but man, Stang Mode ran his 10.9 on these, so they aren't bad. Not bad at all from what I've seen. Now, like I said, you've probably seen these before. Of course, we have black wheels on Racy Lacy there, so we had to go with the black Raystar wheel. We couldn't go chrome. You know, that would look just too weird on there, especially since we're gonna have 2 sets of different wheels on there. But these are also, oh man, that's gonna look good. We're going back to that black chrome finish. Oh, there you go. Let's see, let me pick that up. Oh wow, that feels significantly lighter. So that'll save us a little weight in the back. Like I said, we're just going with the back tires and wheels, back drag pack on that. But man, that's gonna look good. So what we're gonna do now, what you see there, one, I gotta contact the company about getting 2 sets of headers. But I tell you, the plan to put those on, or it's gonna be a while, so we have plenty of time for that. This will hopefully be used this weekend. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna load these up. We're gonna take them, we're gonna get our tires mounted and balanced on it, and then we'll bring them back, and we'll roll them up there beside Racy Lacy to just kind of get a glimpse of what they're gonna look like once they're mounted on. Yeah, we got wheels and tires all up in this place. There's the all seasons there with the factory wheels, and then of course we have our aftermarket wheels and summer tires on there now, and now we got back drag pack wheels. So my garage is filling up with a bunch of stuff. All right, so there you got it. Look at all the goodies back there. Like I said, we're gonna go take the wheels and tires, go get the tires mounted on them, get them balanced out, and then we'll bring them back. We'll roll them up there beside Racy Lacy, see what they look like. Hopefully the 275s do me good at the drag strip, and hopefully we get to check that out this weekend to kind of test that out. Hopefully we can stick to the track there, get some real good, hopefully improved numbers for 8th mile times with Racy Lacy with our budget build. And then once we complete all that, man, then them headers are going on, and we got some more upgrades in store for her. So we'll be back in just a second as soon as we get back from the tire shop, get these things mounted, and we'll close this thing out. All right. Here we go, back from the tire shop, baby. Got our wheels mounted there. I hope that's going to be sufficient to get us sticky on the drag track. I know a lot of guys usually go with a bigger tire, but man, money was tight, so that's what we went with. Anyway, there you go. Just like I said, it was just a little fun video to open up some boxes, kind of see what Racy Lacy has in store for her. The headers are going to wait a while. For one, I got to build up the nerve to install them myself. If you saw the spring video, it was a nightmare. So I can only imagine what headers are going to be like. But I am going to do it. So it's just a matter of when I got time and when we got time to have downtime with Racy Lacy. Hopefully we go to the track this weekend. There is some weather that could be on the way, but hopefully that holds off. We're going to test out those Nittos. We're going to test out the Race Stars. Hopefully finally get some accurate times at the drag strip with our budget build. And man, I hope they stick, because I'm ready to fly down that strip, baby. I'm ready to get after it. Anyway, so just stay tuned. Like I said, it's just a little insight of what's to come, and we have lots to come. So, like always, drop the hammer. Peace.
Do it.